Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, after yesterday's episode, the internet has been buzzing about Thobile being a breadwinner, what. Guys, Musa decides to post a picture. Decides to post a picture of him and Thobile, and this is the exact outfits, guys, that they were wearing to their date, and he puts up a caption. He wrote, "I hold you high because you are serving the day." Oh, guys, there's no even commas here. But anyway, he says, "I hold you high because you are serving. The day you stop serving us, you and I will have nothing to live for." Now, guys, one thing I've realized with them celebs, especially Musa, guys, he will not clear up any rumor. He will not clear up any rumor, and you will not bring about clarity. Because tell me why you putting up that caption. You putting up that caption because you know there's controversy going around about what you said on that episode, and you're not willing to clear it, or at least not now. But I get the strategy, guys. Get people talking, or let the public talk, or get their staff fight amongst one another, because I mean that increases viewership. Do you understand what I'm saying? So guys, we all know there's some people saying Thobile is a breadwinner and what. In all honesty, guys, please don't come for me. I think it's a stretch for us to say Thobile is a breadwinner. In all honesty, even if, guys, hypothetically speaking, or even if it is said that she does pay that insurance money, I think that does not label her as a breadwinner, because there's many other aspects in that family that requires maintenance that I think Musa's doing. So I don't think, like, when we look at the definition of what a breadwinner is, I don't think Thobile is a breadwinner. So I think that's a bit of a stretch. But anyway, I get it. Some people are just playing around with it. That's for one. Number two, guys, is that some people are like, hey, guys, Musa did not say Thobile is taking out this money out of her pocket. Why you're jumping into conclusion? Now, that's the thing that I'm saying. Musa, I feel like he enjoys this, because there's uncertainty going around regarding, is Thobile taking out that money for the insurance for the cars out of her own money, or is it that she is just handling the finances of the family? And I personally think it could be one of the two, or it could be both. I personally actually think, in all honesty, that it is both. Because I mean, I feel like if we would have to argue for both sides, we would still come out with something ayenza is sense. For an example, let's just say Thobile is indeed taking out the money out of her pocket. I don't think it's far-fetched, because in the previous season, Musa did actually mention that Thobile does help him out financially. Now we know, out of all the wives, guys, Thobile is making the most money. We don't even need a bank statement to prove that. She is employed by, like, she does that production in what is Uthando Nesthembu. We saw what she's doing production in, so she wears many hats even within the family business, and I believe she's getting paid for. Oh gosh, I can't, like, let me not speculate, because she could be doing it for free, but I doubt she's doing it for free, guys, because there are other parties that are involved, like about DSTV and whatnot, and I believe she gets a cut from that. That is outside of the jobs that she does outside of the family business, you guys. So I don't think it's a far-fetched thing for her to be contributing financially out of her own pocket. Also, that comment of Pela, if Thobile is paying for my house, for the rate of my house, agasho enzele ngiyombonga. I don't think it was innocently said. I think it was said because there are inkulumo going around ukuthi Thobile does contribute financially out of her own pocket. So that's that. Then the flip side of the coin, even if, guys, Thobile is not, she is just dealing with the book scare, and she's not contributing financially, I feel like, why not her? Yes, I get it, we would want someone within the family to do our finances and all of that, but the moment you're going to put a wife that already is seemed as if she that you favor her, and then you're gonna put her in charge of finances. It kind of seems unfair to the rest of the other wives. It kind of puts her in an advantage in some sort of way of the fact that she gets to deal with the finances, not that she's stealing from it. But if I don't get along with Uthobile, I don't want, like, I'm full ninja Uthi, like I must go through her when it comes to any sort of financial stuff that I'm going through, nemoto yam or whatever. I want to deal with my husband, not a sister wife. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it does kind of create some sort of tension amongst the wives. Even though for some people they're like, Ibo guys, it's just a job. I do see with you how it would create some sort of tension amongst the wives, because it's almost as if you are getting like it's like a power, I don't want to say a power dynamic or what is it, but I just don't think it's fair. And I feel like what Tumbali has been saying, Wuti, you are the one, you are the one who is ruining this whole empire that you are trying to create. I feel like that's one of the things. If you know wives don't get along, guys, especially emalini. Aibo, imali, guys, makes people fight. So you're gonna bring sister wives and gonna make one sister wife deal with finances? No, rather outsource that, get someone from outside to deal with that, so that there's not much in Kolum. And also, why is it that Musa ben Uthobile seems to be dealing with some financials of the family and the rest of the other wives don't know? Like, do you understand ukuthi, like, now it's also giving ukuthi, like, ingathini nina nizenzela izinto zeni, because you guys are the ones who are making the most money, nizenzela izinto zeni esayidini lenu, and then thina we are just on the receiving side. I don't think it's fair, guys. They really need to get an accountant. But that statement on its own, guys, I feel like it's even going to stir up more things. Because Umayeni said yesterday, ukuthi, whenever there's a fight between yena Beno Mapumalo, Musa always takes Uthobile's side. Do you understand what I'm saying? So for him to now go and post this picture and then say, Uti, the day you will stop serving us is the day in, like it's giving those vibes, Uti Vele. Like there's talks going around and you decide to post Uthobile. Like, why didn't you just keep quiet? You're out here defending Uthobile for what? You understand what I'm saying? Come here and clarify your statements if you want to. But I just feel like Musa, in as much as he says he doesn't speak up for no wife, he doesn't fight for no wife, when it comes to Thobile, guys, at least in this season for the smallanyana instances, it does seem like he does try and shield her. I don't know, maybe it's that he has a soft spot, or maybe, guys, when a person serves you so well, you do kind of feel obligated to protect them in some sort of way. But I just can't ignore the fact that Uthobile just doesn't look happy in this season, you guys. And I don't know what it is. Maybe we eventually gonna see it. But there's a demeanor about her, like, akatabulanga ukeli. Yes, she's doing all of these things. Yes, her husband is praising her, but there's something that's not balancing here, guys. Because if your husband favors you in front of the other wives, he's favoring you here on social media, shouldn't you be the happiest of wives? But still, Uthobile, it's like, no, it's like she's tired of the pretense. Hey, guys, I wish you be like, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there because I've said a mouthful. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.